Good morning, children. Next, ninth class. Next, new problem. Simplify 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2. Now, see, children, take the rational factor of the denominator. Take the rational factor of denominator of 6 plus 4 root 2 equal 6 minus 4 root 2. This 6 minus 4 root 2 multiply with numerator and denominator. Therefore, 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 plus 4 root 2 into 6 minus 4 root 2 by 6 minus 4 root 2. Next, numerator into numerator by denominator into denominator. 6 minus 4 root 2 into 6 minus 4 root 2, that is called 6 minus 4 root 2 whole square by a plus b into a minus b, that is called a square minus b square. Therefore, 6 square minus 4 root 2 whole square by opposite. A minus b whole square, a square means 6 square plus 4 root 2 whole square minus 2 into 6 into 4 root 2 by 36 minus 6 square 36. 4 square 4 16 into 2. Root 2 whole square cancel square root 2. That is called 6 square 36. 4 root 2 whole square 16 into 2 minus 2 6 ja 12. 12 fours 48 root 2 by 36 minus 32. That is called 36. 16 to 32 minus 48 root 2 by 4, that is called 36 plus 32. 68 minus 48 root 2 by 4, that is called, now take the 4 common. 17 minus 12 root 2 by 4 can the good. 17 minus 12 root 2. 17 minus 12 root 2. Next problem. Next. 3 root 5 minus root 7 by 3 root 3 plus root 2. Now, the rational factor of denominator 3 root 3 plus root 2 is equal 3 root 3 minus root 2. This is multiply with this rational factor denominator multiply with numerator and denominator. 3 root 5 minus root 7 by 3 root 3 plus root 2 into 3 root 3 minus root 2 by 3 root 3 minus root 2, that is called numerator by denominator. 3 root 5 minus root 7, 3 root 3 minus root 2 by 3 root 3 plus root 2, 3 root 3 minus root 2, that is called multiply with 3 root 5 of 3 root 5 of 3 root 3 minus root 2 root 7 of 3 root 3 minus root 2 by a square minus b square. 3 root 3 whole square minus root 2 whole square. So 3 root 3 into 3 root 5 into 3 root 3, that is called 27 minus 3 root 5 into 3 root 5 into 3 root 2. 1 minute silence. Clear enter. 3 root 5 into 3 root 3 minus 3 root 5 into root 2 minus root 7 into 3 root 3 minus root 7 into minus root 2 by 3 square 9. 9 3 is 27. minus 2, that is called 3 3 is 9, 5 3 is 15, 9 root 15 minus 3 root 5 to root 2, root 10 minus 3 root 27, 7 is 21, sorry children, minus 7 is 14, root 14 by 25. This is children. Note down your notebook also. Next, seventh one. Find the value of root 10 minus root 5 by 2 root 2 up to 3 decimal places. Take root 2 equal 1.414, root 3 equal 1.732, root 5 equal 2.236. Take C. First, take the root 10 minus root 5 by 2 root 2. Same. Are the rational factor of denominator root 2 equal root 2 only. Equal root 10 minus root 5 by 2 root 2 into root 2 by root 2. Root 10 into, now multiplying, root 10 into root 2 minus root 5 into root 2 by 2 root 2 into root 2. Root 10 into root 5, root 10 into root 2, root 20 minus 5 to the 10. 10 by 2 root 2 into root 2 equal 2 equal root 10. Root 10 equal 20 equal to 4 into 5 minus root 10 by 4. Therefore, root 4 into 5, root 4 equal to 2. 2 root 5 minus root 10. Root 2 into root 5 by 4. Go 2 into root, take the root 5 common, better. Root 5 common take. 2 minus root 2 by 4. Root 5 value, 1 plus 2, 2.236. 2 minus root 2 value, 1.414 by 4. Now 2 minus 1.414 equal, subtract 6, 8, 5.0, that equal 2.236 into 0.586 by 4. Now simplify the complete problem. Write the answer. Here multiplication is the very important. After simplifying this answer come, that is called 0.3273. 10th one children. If A, B are rational numbers, find the value of A and B in each of the following questions. Root 5 plus root 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 is equal to A minus B root 15. Find the A value, B value. See children, same previous problem given that root 5 plus root 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3. Now take the rationalizing of the denominator. 2 root 5 minus 3 root 5 equal 2 root 5 plus 3 root 5. Now root 5 plus root 3 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3. Raising them 2 root 5 plus 3 root 5 by 2 root 5 plus 3 root 5. Now root 5 plus root 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 5 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 3 into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 5. Now next to multiply with 2, root 5 into 2 root 5, 10 plus root 5 into 3 root 5, root 5 into 3 root 5, 15 plus root 3 into 2 root 5, 2 root 15 plus Root 3 into 3 root 15. 3 root 15 by root 2 root 5 whole square minus 3 root 3 whole square. That is called 10 plus 15. 25 plus 5 root 15 by 2 to 4. So the 20 minus 27. That is called 25 plus 5 root 15 by minus 7. That is called 25 by minus 7 plus 5 by minus 7. Therefore, where A is equal to 25 minus 25 by 7, B is equal to minus 5 by 7. This is from children's. Observe.